Performing a synchronized replace edit. When you drag to replace a sequence clip, Premiere Pro synchronizes the first frame or endpoint of the replacement clip with the first visible frame of the existing clip in the sequence. This is often ideal, but what if you need to synchronize a particular moment in the middle of the action, such as a hand clap or a door closing? For this, you can use a more advanced type of replace edit to synchronize a particular frame of the replacement clip with a particular frame of the clip it's replacing. Open the sequence 06 Replace Edit. This is the same sequence you previously fixed, but this time you will position the replacement clip precisely. Position the playhead in the sequence at approximately 00000600. The playhead will be the sync point for the edit you are about to perform. Click the first instance of the Shot 4 clip in the sequence to select it. From the Sources bin, open the clip shot5.mov in the Source Monitor. In the Source Monitor, position the playhead about halfway through the clip. There's a marker on the clip for guidance. You can click the marker to line up the playhead with it. Make sure the timeline panel is active, with the first instance of Shot 4 selected, and choose Clip, Replace with Clip from Source Monitor. Match frame. Shot 5 replaces the Shot 4 clip. Play the newly edited sequence to check the edit. The playhead position in the Source Monitor and Program Monitor was synchronized. The sequence clip duration, effects, and settings are all applied to the replacement clip. This technique can be a huge time saver when you need to match the precise timing of action and effects are applied to the existing sequence clip.